in North America, Uptown Funk. Today's best music, 101.3 The River. These are the live rounds on The River's Voice, brought to you by Treasure Cove, Trendsetters, Home and Gift, Northland Nissan, and Ladder Records.
And with us today is contestant number 3, Demmy Hawkeye. She's about to sing Have You Ever Seen the Rain by CCR. Demmy, whenever you're ready, take it away.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. And when it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. Oh, oh, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold and the rain is hard, and I know it's been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle, fast and slow. I know it can't stop, I wonder. Whoa, whoa, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Wow.
Oh, yes!
How do you do that?
Yes!
That was
phenomenal!
Really
You sounded great!
Appreciate it.
Oh!
How did it feel for you? Is that good?
Nervous.
Oh, yeah?
I'm very nervous right now.
I know it must be, because it's just like Mike and Jessica.
And it's dead silent in the room, right?
Yeah.
There's no music, so a cappella is so difficult.
Wow. Good job.
Wow, yeah, absolutely. Great job, Demmy.
Hawkeye on The River's Voice.